Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yoyomax12.
Thank you so much for watching my videos all this year, and I hope 2026 brings all of you health and happiness. Thank you so much for watching.